Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to adjust the temperature settings to display either Fahrenheit or Celsius, and then same with the mileage, either miles or kilometers. So first we'll start the vehicle so everything's on, and then from your main display here, depending on whatever screen you're on, we'll go to settings, and then system. And then from here we can now change this to kilometers or miles. So we just hit to kilometers, and you can see it changed it in real time. So now this shows kilometers, and then I'll click it again to miles, and now it's showing miles. And then same thing we'll see over here. Right now it's showing Fahrenheit, and then I switch it to Celsius. Now it's Celsius, and it just auto saves, so there's nothing else you need to do. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.